story?
Once upon a cheerful day, in a bright and cozy place, lived a kid named Sunny Bright, with a smile upon their face. Sunny loved to tap and swipe, watch and play and click all day, but something special helped them learn a smarter, happier way. Clickety-click on the tablet screen, no games and videos bright and keen. Sunny said, I love my tech, but Mom said, let's do a quick check. Sing along, rule time. Eyes feel tired, time to stop. Sit up straight, no screen top plop. Not too close, not too long. Healthy habits keep us strong. Click, pause, read and play. We use our screens the smart way. Not too much and not too late. Healthy brains feel really great. Go! Sunny picked a book one day. Colors bright and words at play. Letters dance and stories grew. Guess what happened? Brain muscles too. Flip the page, what comes next? Dragon space, a pirate quest. Reading makes the brain go wee, as strong and fast as it can. Click, pause, read and play. Books help brains grow every day. Stories stretch our minds so wide. Reading time is brain gym time. Go! Sunny learned a magic rule. Screens are fun, but balance is cool. Read a book, then play outside. Run and laugh and jump real high. Screen time done, power down. Books and toys are all around. Sunny smiled, I feel so smart. Healthy habits warm the heart. Click, pause, read and play. We make smart choices every day. Screens, phones, books, brains that shine. Happy kids feel great inside. And now when Sunny clicks and reads, they listen to their brain's good needs. With tech, with books, with time to play, Sunny learns the healthy way.